5 episodes. Now, let me show you how the pros put it all together. 1 page, every morning, before the bell. The daily game plan. It starts with a dashboard. Bias, the biggest wall, the expected range. 1 glance and you know the shape of the day before you place a single trade. First, how strong is the pin? When dealer positioning is heavy, expect a quiet, range-bound day. When it's light, expect bigger moves. This one number sets your expectations. Next, who controls the level? If calls dominate, dips get bought and the path of least resistance is up. If puts dominate, rallies get sold. The skew tells you which way the wind is blowing. Then, map the gamma. This heat map shows where the gamma sits, strike by strike, hour by hour. The brightest cells are the levels that will matter most into the close. Now, plot it on the chart. The biggest wall, the flip below it, and your target at the next level. These are the only lines you need. How do you set the bias? Stack the factors. Start neutral, add the gamma read, add the flow, add the skew. What you are left with is your lean for the day. Then, wait for the setup. Price taps the wall, you fade it. Price loses the flip, you ride it. The same 2 plays you already know, now with the whole picture behind them. Every level is a tug of war. Dealers pulling one way, the trend pulling the other. Your job is not to guess. It is to take the side the positioning favors. And one number rules them all. Max pain. The strike where the most options expire worthless. Mark it, because price tends to drift right back to it by the close. So here is the routine. Read the dashboard. Check the pin and the skew. Map the levels. Pick your play. Then size it small and let the plan do the work. The market is not random. With a plan, you stop reacting and start anticipating. That is the series. If it helped, subscribe and hit the bell. There is more coming. See you in the next one.